Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Kelly. I am a physical therapist. Today in this video, we're going to go through a 10-minute gentle full body stretching and mobility routine. This routine is great for someone first thing in the morning or if they've been sitting a long time throughout the day, and it is safe for anyone as long as they are cleared by their doctor. You won't need any equipment except for maybe some space and a mat or a bed. Before we begin, make sure that you subscribe down below for weekly new videos, and other than that, find some space and we'll get started. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna reach up and over your body, over the side. Feel a nice big stretch. Take a big breath and let your breath go. Good. Come back to the middle. Same thing on the other side. Big stretch. Big breath in and out. A little bit more stretch. Short one on each side. Up and over. And one more the other way. Good. Next we're going to do is some neck rolls. So tuck your chin down to your neck. Roll over for one ear to the shoulder. Down to the middle and to the other shoulder. Rolling back and forth at your own pace, keeping it nice and gentle. Good. One more. And then what we'll do is we're going to put our hands behind our head and we're going to open up the elbow to the side. We're going to just rotate open one way, back to the middle, rotate open the other way, back to the middle. If anyone has any shoulder issues, we can put the arms by our sides and just rotate open with your arms lower, back and forth. Keeping our hands there if we can, we're going to bring our elbows back towards the middle just a little bit, and we're going to tilt and look up and back down. And look up and back down. Make sure you're supporting your neck. It should be more of a stretch in the middle back than it is in your neck. If it's too much in the neck, try to keep your chin down a little bit more. Back. You can also open up the elbows and try to extend that way. Good. Then we're going to move on to our backs. Hands behind the head. Allow your legs and your knees to fall over one direction and back to the middle. And then the other direction. Moving back and forth at your own pace. Good. Feel a stretch down the side of the body and across the chest. Then we'll stop, put one leg down, pull your knee up towards your chest and across the body for a little bit of stretch on the side of the hip. Kind of pull up towards the chest, a little bit over to the side, back and forth, whatever feels good. And then we'll go ahead and relax that leg back down. And we're going to switch out for the other side. So when you're ready, knee to the chest, pull it up and over the body towards the other shoulder. You can move around just a little bit, but keep it nice and slow. Finding whatever stretch feels good, what position feels good, whatever you may need. Here we go, and whenever you're ready, we'll go ahead and relax that leg back down. We're going to take the right ankle and place it over the left knee. If someone can only hold this position, we can push that knee away. Otherwise, if we can, grab behind the left thigh and pull that in. You should feel this stretch in the right hip. If this is too much, you can go ahead and put your leg back down, pushing that knee away. But we're going to hold this stretch for a few more seconds. And then go ahead and start to bring your leg down, uncross your leg. Same thing on the other side. Cross the left ankle over the right knee. Grab behind the right thigh and pull it up towards your chest till you feel a gentle stretch behind your left hip. Make sure that you're relaxing into this stretch. A few more seconds. And then go ahead and bring your leg down and uncross that leg. Taking your hands behind your right thigh, go ahead and straighten that knee up towards the ceiling and back down. So your foot's going up towards the ceiling, the knee is being straightened. Feel some tension and then relax it back down. Nice and slow. You'll feel this from the back of the thigh and behind the knee. Back and forth. Go ahead and relax that leg down wherever you're at. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So grab behind that left thigh, straighten the knee so the leg's up towards the ceiling, and gently put it back down, making sure that you keep some tension on that at all times. Good, one more. Good, and go ahead and relax down. Now we're going to straighten both legs out in front of us. We're going to just do some ankle circles. We'll do both at the same time. Couple circles in one direction, couple in the other, back and forth. You can pump the ankles back and forth, just trying to get them loosened up. And then when you're ready, we're gonna bring your feet back up, touch the ground so your legs are bent. We're gonna take both arms by your sides. We're gonna raise up over your head and back down. You're gonna try to keep your low back nice and flat so that you really feel this stretch in your shoulders rather than in your low back. Big stretch overhead, reaching and back down. Now we're gonna roll onto the side. And you're going to place your upper arm or hand behind your head. And you're going to open up to think about pointing the elbow to the wall behind you and gently coming back. You'll feel the stretch across your chest and maybe also into your back. Good, one more. And relax. Now what we're gonna do with that top arm, we're gonna put it down in front of us, and we're going to try to keep our hand touching the ground, but draw this big circle around your body and back towards the front. So reaching, drawing a circle around your body so you feel a big stretch, and come back. And then go ahead and place your arm by your side. You're going to reach up and over your head, over to the side. Feel a nice big stretch down the side of your body. Take a nice big breath in there and let it all go. One more breath and let it all go. Good, gently bring that arm by your side. We're going to get up, or you can roll over to your other side. Same thing to start, hand behind the head. And what you're gonna do is point the elbow towards the wall behind you, and then come back. Open up, and come back. One more time. Open up, and come back. Then what we'll do, put your arm out in front of you. We're going back to the circles. So reaching up and around, drawing that circle until you feel a big stretch, and coming back around. And again, open up, feel that good stretch. Pause if you need to there, whatever feels good. You come all the way back around at any time. If you need to hold any of these stretches, you're more than welcome to find whatever feels good or what you need. From there, arm by your side. We're gonna go up and over the body. In this position, take that nice big stretch. Feel your breath right into the side of your ribs. And let it all go. Another breath in. And let it all go. Good, we're gonna finish by rolling onto our backs. Legs down straight, pointing those toes far out from you, taking your hands way above your head. Really reach from one end to the other. Take one big, nice breath. And let it all go. And then go ahead and relax. So that's the 10-minute full body stretching routine. I hope you all feel loosened up, ready to go for the day, ready to move on for the day. If you're looking for more videos related to exercise for strengthening or cardio or stretching, you can check out my playlist up above. But other than that, we will see you all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.